Hello student, today we are going to discuss the concept of explain number 7, that is descheduling algorithm. So here we are going to describe the first come first serve SSTF scan and C scan, but for the same here we are going to explain the concept of first come first serve descheduling algorithm. So as we know that the file are nothing but the collection of different database or stream, okay, and this string or this database which is to be retrieved by the operating system for their another purpose, okay. So there a particular spindle which are available, and on the same this disk which are allocated or situated on the same, and the disk which is to be in the form of what we can say that there are tracks and sector which are available, and here in the binary format in this sector and track the particular database which is to be stored, okay. Now the first come first serve, it is the as it name suggests this is the simplest form, but here we say that this is the what we can say that we can't say that it provide faster data compared to the another, that is SSTF scan and D scan, but it provide or retrieve a data in a lower or slowest manner, okay. So the simplest form of this scheduling is of course first come first serve algorithm which are available, but this algorithm is intrinsically fair, but it generally does not provide the fastest service consider, okay. We will discuss this with the example, that is input output block on cylinder that are 98, 183, 37, 122, 14, 124, 65, and 67. So these are cylinder which are available onto the that particular disk, but uh, here the head of that particular cylinder which is to be started from 53. So here we can't say that from 53 then it will cover to the 65 then 67, but it started from first block, that is 98, then 183, then 37, 122, 14, 124, 65, then 67, okay. So thus in this way it provide or move the head from these different blocks, okay. So the head movement for cylinders are 640 cylinders which are available, that is maximum, okay. So we are going to discuss the C program for the same, that are here we are declare the header files, then here we are going to describe the q array, then head, then sig, here we initialize with 0, then average is float, then in here we are going to get the detail of range of disk from the user, that are the maximum variable, then size of q, that is in n, then we are going to describe the disk position, okay. Now here we are going to get the detail of the q and initial head position by this for loop, that is I is initialized to 1 and I less than equal to n. So what is n over here? N is nothing but the size of q request, okay. Now here we are going to calculate the disk movement, and finally we are going to after calculation disk we are going to display the average, that is sig divided by float n, okay. Now here we are going to display the average sig time for the first come first serve. So thus in this way we are going to explain this concept. So here we conclude that first come first serve, it is the this scheduling algorithm. With the help of that we are going to explain the uh, what we can say that the particular data which is to be stored on the disk into the manner of first come first serve, and first come first serve, and then this database which is to be retrieved into the manner of first come first serve. Okay, thank you.